Alright, so what we have here is this builder's theme again right here. So it's got the black plate, oak plates facing this way. I believe the other side is black. Yeah, it's got black on the other side. Lighting is not best in this room because it's pretty hard to find the switches in this house. But it's got the light. Here's the light for it. Here's low speed. Yeah. It's located here in this area right here. This lounge area. And this right here is the shelving area. There's even a chest set as well. You know, it does go pretty slow. It's pretty good low speed. Here's medium. I think it's going a little bit faster on medium. I'm going to put this on high. Just high. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.